how to manifest anything you desire using these 4 tips. They're very important and they absolutely work. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because that way we are sending you our latest video 5 times a week. 5 times a week we are coming into your life with empowering messages on the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. We are here to help you achieve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. You know, high flyers, I have to say this. One lady, I just got off the phone with her a few moments ago. She said, "You're the only channel on the law of attraction that I watch." And the reason is that when I watch your channel every single day, my life tends to get better. Even if I don't immediately apply what you're suggesting that I do, for some reason it gets better and better. And I think the reason for that is that when you're listening daily, when you're watching our channel daily, what's happening is it's getting into your subconscious mind and it's automatically helping you achieve more of the money you desire, the love you crave, oh yeah, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. So today we're going to talk about 4 keys, absolute keys, that if you'll follow these keys, you will become a super duper heavyweight manifester. You'll be able to manifest whatever you desire. And that means you can have an incredible relationship. That means you can save your marriage. That means you can build a huge business, or you can advance your career, or you can publish your book, or whatever it is that you desire to do. So the first one, high flyers, is to have precise intentions. Now, when I talk to people on the phone, oftentimes I will ask them different questions. And I'll say, well, what is it that you desire to do? Well, I desire to start my own business and work for myself. What kind of business do you see yourself doing? I don't really know. I haven't thought about it yet. There you go. They have this vague idea that they would like to work for themselves, that they'd like to make more money. But they don't know how they would like to do it. They don't have a clear runway, a clear picture of what it is that they really desire. Another person said, I want to write a book. I've been working on this book for a long time. Okay, who does the book appeal to? Who is the audience? Who's going to read your book? Who wants to read your book and then share it with a friend? And et cetera, et cetera. You get the idea? And oftentimes people say, well, I really don't know. I never thought about that part of it. High flyers, I believe the more precise that you are with your goals and dreams. I mean, it's precise. When you're precise, then you are sending an arrow into the infinite field of potential, and you are attracting exactly what you desire. But when you have this vague kind of picture, people will oftentimes do this. They'll say, well, Robert, I want to have a relationship with my boyfriend or with my husband. I want to save my marriage. Okay, what kind of marriage do you want to have? What kind of relationship do you want to have? I don't know. I just want us to be happy together. What does happiness mean to you? What did it mean to him or her? What was her definition of happiness? What is your definition of happiness? How do you see this relationship playing out? What does it look like? More importantly, high flyers, what does it feel like? Feeling. absolutely essential. A precise, clear intention, and what does it feel like? Number 2 is successful manifestors in business and every walk of life build teams. They build teams of like-minded individuals, people who are moving in the same direction as they are, people who can contribute unique talents. So what I'd like you to do is think about, what are my goals and who are the people that are going to help me achieve these goals? Because nobody achieves a goal totally and completely on their own. There's always, especially something worthwhile, like building a successful business, building a company, saving a marriage, building an incredible relationship. What does your team look like? If it's a relationship, you and your wife or you and your husband are a team. Well, how does that team function? How does it work together? You see, it's very, very important to understand the nature and notion of teamwork. Without a team, you're on your own, and it's very, very difficult to do it on your own. You need to build people who are in a like-minded community working with you. Number 3, high flyers, is positive thoughts and words. Let's pause just for a moment. Take a deep breath with me. Now, from this moment on, I will only speak positive words. I will only encourage positive thoughts. And from those positive thoughts and those positive words will come positive feelings. And positive feelings is how I connect to the infinite field of potential, to the universe, to infinite God force energy. Now, listen to me. You can't just say, I'm going to speak positive some of the time. You have to make a serious commitment right now to think positive, speak positive, and feel positive. So when you start to hear negative words coming out of your mouth, understand that it began with a negative thought. When you start to feel negative feelings, understand it began with a negative thought. So you need to cancel that thought. You need to replace that thought with a positive I am affirmation. Doing that will allow you to speak positive words and feel positive feelings. All 3 are absolutely essential for manifesting the life that you desire. And number 4, I think this is so important. Surround yourself with like-minded people. People that are positive, people that are go-getters, people that are ambitious, people that are hungry, people that have good relationships. Look at, if you're trying to have an incredible, loving, positive relationship, and you're hanging around a bunch of people who have broken relationships, they're complaining about their mate all the time, what's that doing to you? If all of your friends tell you your relationship is never going to work out, what does that put into your mind? Hey, and think about this. If you're building a business, the same is true. If you're around people that say, that business will never work. I've tried business. It doesn't work. Better to just go get a job working for the man. You know, what does that do to your energy field, to your subconscious mind? So look for like-minded people and surround yourself with like-minded people, and you will find that your level of results, your level of manifesting explosion, it just gets bigger and better all the time. Hey, we are out of time. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking the bell icon. And remember, we will be here again tomorrow, Monday through Friday, with another video for you. Bye-bye now.